Hi, welcome to the new section of Basics Magento Setup Products. In this section, I will show you about products, how to set up products, how to add a new product through Magento system with the basic stuff. Products are the items or things that are sold in Magento. You can add your products to the store view as per customer needs. It includes both physical products and services or digital products. So these are products as shown here. Magento provides an easy way to add your product quantities as described in some of the steps. Let's begin with that. With the first step, you have to log in to your Magento admin panel, which you found here. Let's go to make a refresh of this page, admin.